Good morning, everyone. I'm Cait. I'm currently sitting in front of the tunnel waiting for the traffic to be released to go through the tunnel into Whittier. We're all joined up with our friend Tonia and another friend. Oh, hi!
Welcome to the show. We can put your stuff in the boat.
This will be the first time I've been out on a boat in Prince William Sound. It's also probably one of the last weekends for this year because of the holidays that I'll be able to go out and do this kind of hunting. So we're gonna be going out and actually staying the night out on the boat for essentially a 2-day hunt. And there have been some sightings of blacktail deer closer to the beaches, so fingers crossed. It would be pretty amazing to have a successful hunt out here.
I can't wait.
Mile fetch of water that way.
Okay.
And then there's a pretty good fetch that way, about 15 miles. And then there's an even longer one straight at 12 o'clock. And so all those different things start to culminate because they're different weather patterns.
Okay.
And they just make this thing horrible.
And that's why they call it the washing machine?
Very confused water. It's going this way and that way. And it's usually shooting.
Tumbling you around.
Yeah. But on our trip, our water is only supposed to get better.
That sounds great.
Yeah. So you just did the worst water, and then we should be in the entire trip.
Great. Man, I'm so excited for the sunset. It's already super pretty.
Sunrise.
Yes, thank you. Sunrise.
Isn't this gorgeous, guys?
It's
That
amazing.
purple union.
It's so incredible.
Yeah, purple, it's like pink, there's orange.
Yeah. It's hard to beat this place, man. We might need to get some photos of that.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a picture too. You're welcome to if you want. Look at that reflective. That is.
It's so pretty.
Is that another picture?
Yeah.
I think it is.
Yeah, I think so too. Go get it, kids.
You can jump through here.
That looks like a movie.
Pretty.
It is so pretty. Are you geeking out yet?
Oh my god.
Cait and Tonia be a boat captain. I've shot lots of deer on this opposite side of this beach right here. A couple shorebirds there. So they'll be chewing on that kelp. That's their wintertime food.
Okay.
Once the land food goes away with 6 feet of snow.
Okay. ducks out there. I don't know if you can see them very well, but they're floating along. And no, we did not bring a shotgun. So they get to live another day. We've been out here on the sound for a while now, and we've been scoping and checking all the shoreline for deer, but we've seen two.
They're playing hard to get.
They're playing very hard to get. We're still cruising around and checking it out because the water is absolute glass right now, and it's stunningly beautiful out here. But deer just haven't wanted to cooperate just yet, and we haven't given up.
Terry says it's me. He says I'm bad luck, but I think it's Cait.
I mean, I don't know.
We'll find out.
Yeah. But we're going to be out here for a while. We're still looking. We're still hopeful. You're just looking so cool with the mountains behind you. The island straight in front of us, Snowcap Peaks, is it Montague or Montague? It's Montague Island.
I don't know, maybe I am the bad luck. She wanted to admit it in front of Terry though.
No, I wanted to invite back on the boat.
Well, he thinks I'm bad luck. You got bad news, honey.
Oh, it's okay. One of these days. For now, just taking in some awesome views. Well, the sun's setting, you guys. Been out here for, I don't know, like 6 hours?
A while. Since
A while. Since sunrise, yeah. But we've been out here glassing. We have seen some, but we just haven't been able to get them. So
The first time I saw the water was really rough. There is no way you could hold a scope on it. It would not even be ethical to even try to shoot it. And the next ones, they were just too sneaky and fast and moving.
Yep. Just the way it goes.
Hoping to find one that wants to sit still for a while.
Yeah. So we're just, eating snacks and enjoying the views.
There's not a lack of good views.
Yeah, no
It's
kidding.
nice.
So Terry, what's the plan? We're hanging out here, eating some dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, mood lighting.
Okay, let's go
I think we got some games Tonya brought. What'd you bring again?
I
Yahtzee.
and zombie kittens. So I thought I could try this when I had friends that were held hostage on a boat with me.
What is it?
It's a card game called Zombie Kittens.
Oh my
And
god.
I'm really excited to play it. Terry is so thrilled.
I think we all are so thrilled, Tonya. We know how much you love exploding kittens, so I can't wait to see how Zombie Kittens is. I know. Tonya got us little bear socks for good luck.
It's not working very well.
It is.
But they are cozy.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Tanya. Good morning, everyone. We are starting our slow cruise. We'll ramp up some speed here in a minute to head over to Montague Island. We're turning now, and I am super excited to get over there and see if we see any deer. But all in all, this trip has just been awesome because we've been out on the water, seeing sights I haven't been able to see yet, and beautiful weather. I can't see the sun this morning, it's clouded over, but that's okay. It's still gorgeous, and the water has been pretty great. So, apart from a little bit yesterday when it was bumpy, but today hopefully will be better. So fingers crossed for smooth sailing and hopefully for seeing deer. But the motor's getting louder, so I'm gonna wrap it up here, and then we're gonna jet across. So just gonna be enjoying some of these beautiful views.
I'm not gonna take a picture of that and send it to my friend too. I missed it.
You kind of see them out there playing.
Kate, what you snacking on?
Eating the rest of my dinner from last night. Heather's choice mole sauce with chicken and rice.
Sounds yummy.
It sounds yummy. It's not as good as it sounds. Unfortunately. It needs more seasoning. We are on our way back towards Whittier, and we're still looking for deer, but the light is definitely getting a lot darker. We had some clouds roll in. I think that there's snow on the forecast, potentially. And so we're just cruising the last few beaches that we can look at as we continue to make our way back to the harbor. We've definitely seen deer, we just haven't gotten a chance to get any. Real skittish, very skittish, or the approach was way too rocky for the water was just throwing us everywhere, so we wouldn't have been able to get a shot. But we're gonna keep looking for a little bit, and if we don't get anything, that's okay. It was still an amazing trip, and we'll keep going out. Keep giving it a try. Harbor.
Left in the dark, back in the dark. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That's right, gotta maximize your time.
Well, when you only get like 7 hours of it.
I know it.
You got that rope unwinded it a little bit?
Unwinded it. Was on it.
boots
I can
on.
hop off and grab it.
Hmm.
Go a little right.
Don't get wet, just wait.
Oh my gosh.
We're there. Thank goodness for aluminum boats.
Yeah.
That wouldn't have reacted well with fiberglass.
Oh my gosh.
Atta girl. Never known her not to carry her gun or a knife.
She's always got that pocket knife on her.
Yeah.
She wants you to know just how hard she's working to get you that buoy.
I feel like I'm gonna get an invoice.
Did you get it? This is the prime content that people want to see.
I'm going to that same one over there. You can throw that in and then might have to get you again. Throw it. Throw it.
I need balance.
Throw it.
Nice.
Okay, here I come for you.
Alright, I'm on the ladder. You can go back.